Right, so now I've got my cake slightly cooled down, okay? So what I'm going to do is, if you wanted to, some little holes here and there. It's not something you absolutely have got to do, but it can also enrich your cake by having a little bit of booze, so you're making the holes to sort of help the alcohol to get into your cake. And what I would do, you see there's little puddles there, but it's quite so it's going to absorb it. It's to just simply maybe brush it. There we go, maybe a little bit more. So I would say a shot every time. You can do that the same thing the following week. So really you've got a nicely flavored fruit cake with, if you want it, of course, an alcohol. So the alcohol, here I've got some Xeres, and it's quite nice. You could use a brandy, a dark rum, would be absolutely beautiful with such a cake. Or whiskey, I think so. I think it would